Corpora for lexicography. A dictionary describes the vocabulary of a language. We've been discussing dictionaries, so we've seen that what dictionary do, they describe language of a certain community of people. Obviously, we have also seen that this the dictionary serve the purpose of certain target audiences. There are dictionaries for learners, there are dictionaries for professionals, some dictionaries are general, some dictionaries are specialized, but they give information about a certain language. So for each language, a set of texts can be assembled which provides evidence of the choices and combination of choices that are made by users of the language. So what the compiler do, they get text, right? And then out of the text, they seek choices, and they seek those choices which generally are being used by the user of that language, so that the user could know whenever they have some problem in terms of the meanings, in terms of the pronunciation, in terms of the usage of a certain word. Such a set of text is called corpus. So the compilation of the text for a dictionary is called corpus. In olden times, it was a huge task. So the people would make research and would collect material for newspapers, from magazines, for books, etc., and they would make slips and notes. But now this is easy because we have electronic forms nowadays. We have online material which gives us whole this corpus. So it is easier nowadays. The adequacy of the corpus depends on its size, its diversity, and skill of those who assembled it. So whether the corpus, the data, is adequate for the specific dictionary, as well as it has some diversity according to the users, and obviously the people who have assembled the data are also very important. So these three aspects are very important for the compilation of a dictionary. A corpus is close to the center of dictionary project, because whenever there is a project for compilation of a dictionary, the corpus has to be available. If the corpus is not available, dictionary cannot be made, it cannot be planned. People see that how a certain word is used, in what situation it is used, right? What collocation it has, so what are different usages. So they look up all these things when they look up the data of that language. So lexicographer formulates a policy concerning the way in which the corpus will be used. So when they have corpus, they formulate policies that how they are going to use. And obviously when they make policy for using the corpus, they look at their users for whom they are going to plan a certain dictionaries. So this is a very big task for the lexicographers to collect data, and the authenticity of data is also very important. So as I said, that the corpus is very close to the dictionary compilation project. The more authenticated the corpus, the more authenticated the dictionary is.